She's big enough not to be in a car seat, G.
Hey! What the frick, you frick? What are you doing? Okay.
Fucking U-turn.
What are you in your turn?
So tight too.